Yeah.
I could believe that
I
one
just got
actually
Army.
because-
Oh my God, hey. Did you hear that?
Oh, cat ball.
He has a headset on. He was in the Army, and he gets told all the time, go fuck yourself.
You didn't bump the table, did you, Deborah?
But the other
No.
thing too
Okay.
That
is,
ball was
It's literally right outside of this wall. Are you still attached to Nacho in some way?
or is this?
Yeah.
What did he just say? He said something. He has that headset on, like he can't hear us.
Yeah, I didn't hear what he said. I'm so far away.
Are you trying to
That's
give us
weird.
a message?
It's a ding dong, and then she said message for you.
Mm-hmm.
Can somebody keep the actual video over there?
Yeah, I will. I'll look for it.
That's what it is. Oh, look, Carl, you touched the table.
Yeah, it was him.
Oh, that's an opportunity.
Can you do that again?
It's smart. That's so smart.
Laughing down there.
Yeah, I heard the
He
laughing.
can't hear us, Carl,
Right.
to let you know. He has us blocked
Yeah.
out.
Oh, wait, why is it flashing? Why does she have his flash on?
Are you trying to
Can you
send
do
us
that
a
again?
message?
Can you ring the bell again?
Rest.
Shadows. Hello.
Hi.
What position where am I sitting?
There goes.
That just went off by
Cap
itself.
off.
Cap off. Carl.
Again.
Birdman. Is this Birdman?
20.
Somehow.
Turn it on.
That won't go off. Okay, can you step away from that ball?
There it goes.
That is so weird.
Yeah.
It just shut right off.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Are they gonna do that thing?
Did you video that, honey?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Can you ring the?
He said I did it.
What did you do?
What did you do? Are you talking to Nacho?
I touched it.
Oh, we'll touch
Touched
it again.
ball.
Can you touch it again?
Can you touch it again?
Or touch the thing with the green light next to it. Make it light up.
I'll let you play with
that,
it.
I can
Oh,
play
there it goes.
It's going again.
Good job.
Thank you. Oh
I
my
got
God, that's awesome.
I got it.